marry. Oh, you carry your husband cut it off. People help you this one.
Why you do that? Man, you can't cut it off. So me, I can't do that. I want to hear that. What do you know that would be analyzing? Why you they bring the matter? Why you they bring a comment?
You can't bring the matter come media. Not be waiting. They need a message.
So everybody go analyze. We go attack.
Queen, normal queen.
That's true.
Obvious one.
You do attack the social media.
They know the for the big boy get dread the van on.
You don't get shame.
Oh, your boy. Avec desperado. You carry big nash, you don't get sense. Your sense na your yash. Wow.
That is big nash. Let me first there, my sister. That is big nash.
Your sense.
I don't want to help you. They take account. No, I'm not doing. No.
If you talk, we will cost you join. Now you carry your woman, your what is the color? Your husband.
Not even insulting. They come out. You come there.
Maybe they cost your head for them. You are very useless. You carry your husband cut it up, on the top. Person come up. He says na me lady J.
Now you carry the matter. Now you carry the matter. I want na me lady J. But the father get to talk. I know one. Then you flip back. We are just saying that.
Nonsense.
Why you
not the drive follow?
You not send request.
If you come up 10 times, we will say drop you 10 times. Go on your platform, go talk rubbish, show you want to for them.
Lady J, you leave that woman. So you see that woman so depression the whole land. Not be she did there again.
As that be depression, I will kill her.
They born every year. Not be every year she they born. She never go fair work. She never go find better thing.
Lady J, I want to say something. Lady J, wait, now me I just see something. Anytime when she carry belly, now that time husband they chop me pass. Night they chop me on back to back. They chop me.
The husband side chick. I found that man for follow you.
See, my mom say if you want come, the husband don't write me. The moment the husband they come, they go fish bar. That from fish bar, we enter hotel. They I said that 2 years now. 2 years. 2 years. Black is beautiful. I don't use my real account for it. I mean they chop the husband for 2 years. I dey chop am. The husband na dog and she get body odor. He get na me dey shave the husband. The husband go come out, I go shave am. I dey shave the husband because he get body odor. I go shave am. I dey shave am. I should every year to the bone. Lady J, na every year to the bone. The husband say when he want boy, they find boy pikin, they find boy, they bone. You know how many times that man don't Lady J, that man don't Lady J, see that man don't beg me, make me born, give him born, and I mean they told say I don't want agree born. He say your people they smell. He say your people they smell.
If you born for it, say make you baby mama, I go drop you.
You know me, he go to pay me every month. He go to pay me every month. They wine. I go chop your husband before your husband come out. Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. The day we be say the quarrel last. Black is beautiful. Wait now. The day we be say the quarrel last. Big Lady J, when you wait now. The day we be say the quarrel last. When we be say your husband come on for house on Friday. As you they come for work, you can't come out. You can't go book hotel. Can't come back on Sunday. Now me, now my birthday period. Now me deal with. Now me deal with. Now my prick. Now me get time. If he reach us, may continue. But if he deal with me, you dey catch out. You dey one. You dey craze. Your husband
this period that everywhere get the way to. They not bet the husband. Then you dey analyze that so that you get him pricked. So that
you get time. Mommy, yes. And see, you know, say big Lady J. Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. You know, say she now she go the reason say I not be single mother. Ask your husband. Your husband I not be single mother. So before you talk, I dey pack my picking money they give him. Now me, I be single girl. I not be actually.
Hello, good evening.
Now me they chop.
Hello, Lady J. Lao, where one Lao.
Not be consult us.
He may take boy in a polite way. Well, my sister, my necessity with it. One way, okay. Me mate go, me do wash his me mate be table because even not every time. Oh, what that thing? Na le la bi aya be ba, yan hen la dan bi wa ge, bi age, me they cheat. Now some of they follow them. But we go to driving last time, we they drive car. Follow the for back. You know that can be analyzed on it. Anyway, Tana. Yeah, we driving like say ya babo bia. Lele ya here. On now when you set it with born you, God forbid bad thing. You understand? Mana it either on that time maybe analyze it. Okay, now I'm more way or that thing. Not by you want to Friday, or the week, or the Sunday. I mean, come out on your CIA. Eri one no na. Eri lele ya here. Mommy, net boy. Eri lele ya here. Eri different women.
Black is beautiful. I bet man you say Bekos go come outside this evening. I bet Black is beautiful. I go follow you now. Go drop. You get one picture when he and the husband snap for window. When she dey naked. When the husband dey naked, I go forward and give you. And the husband broke us. You go come outside now. He's somebody wait for you. Or you drop our own. Make your husband all fall out. Drop our own. And make your husband all fall out.
It's sad. I want you do. I want to see a bow. I want my moe. I want what I feel about.
Who was having
Me, it's not better than move than me. I'm not than Ogele here. He said it by again.
Allah, why?
No, that's a bomb. Many or you jayo. Really measure na. Imana o no ma tie but that's no ma analyze me. Anything that for me what I'm coming with. Imana o no ma gwa matter na imu eladian. E matter no give like that na social media be ya must analyze it. I went to analyze it because it may not, it may do saga, it may do more than for me. Nothing to tell where you okay. It is all that for me. A mono, maybe okay. One that family, and then not that for the need that there. Or my belief why maybe or maybe with that. In other for me, any benefit of that, he may. The other young that show me young. I again, that's another way. Or that for a low okay. What's the Namana me? No, I love your coffee me. Muzua. Other for a public dog, you know, a public dog, or a go yard me pay.
No, you know your time. I'm a lata man. Oh, no, you know your time.
No problem.
Okay, mommy, I'll call you back.
The man will still carry the money for us to go let guests for fish.
See, Lady J. Now you're on the woman. You see, as you on this platform, now you do well. She know who they talk. As she did there, so you know who they talk. You don't call me countless times with your husband number. You can't even carry my number. I can't change number. You know who they talk. Fish bar. Oh yeah, after fish bar, now matter. Yes, I the top and the low. I the top and. Adi you are vulo I dey chop and kill yourself. As your husband go Nigeria now, they call me on the norm. They call me. They call me. They call me. When he go Nigeria, they call me Wella. They call me. They craze. You know what I give her? You know which kind of people like you they craze. To say now that you only don't born 5 children for everywhere. They craze. Don't be you tell your husband may marry you because you don't born.
I may be 9 years.
I they chop your husband, like kill yourself, by yourself. Or more the prick sweet. Lady J, the moment that you pay your husband, Lady J, the moment that you pay your husband, you claim my Mona, you go you claim my house rent.
Okay.
You go you claim my house rent.
I want to make a clear house rent on me.
The moment they pay, you go you claim my house rent. You go carry me go fish bar, and the best space for me for house. They crazy shopping go come and they give me money on the low.
Good evening, ma.
That last birthday, wait, I want to bust the head. Queen, when you say you be queen of Germany, you remember the last birthday where your husband go, you come they ask and say people we do birthday don't go ask. Why can you never do us? Now me day with that night. You remember? Kill yourself. Kill yourself. I enjoy them.
But what if they cut off for social media? You can what can
you don't use the man that called the dress your husband.
I want you to insult me before you come back on the insult me. You know the shame. I don't hear that video. Okay.
Mommy, after
you don't know say you they fool your old man like that. Mommy, hey, go time.
you're talking mommy here now.
Why
Let's talk about my work, baby. I don't say.
And my own now.
I don't say mommy here.
My own.
Shameless woman. You're not ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed. Get no calendar for all that time in live video do this guagua can you.
I will have a belly cut for when I just walk belly walking a lot. Where? Ula dia o wa ta le make different things. Where are you going?
Mommy, mommy, any gist you wear. Woman gist you wear, mommy.
It's a guy.
That's a guy. Maybe Lady J will live it. You mean now wait Lady when na la dia abandon analyze na when they see do. You not mama way. Emi ni o be TikTok na tell me anything na we na be do gwan yo normally as analyzer. And now we have also no I want to be okpa o no wa be analyze the TikTok you are aware or that or na ya dey na ya way driving license. When many time on me aware the way driving when you way driving license so ni make na fi moto le lo da fi am yeke have a married man na ni because ya arieba make na le lian ya make na ya tracking ya se ke ni ari ere o da fi pa we Friday na ya reve Sunday o we ere ba me me ba na be work movie 3 days we ba o da fi ye ba we Friday o ya reve Sunday na la ni ati wa ya la dia we ni ma do gun egbe side chicken we maybe side chicken or the other fi yen give me odo wa o na we you we license
because I give your husband go throw you as he throw those
side chicken na na dia o no the other fi ni ma o ni ati mi ma ni ma koko na dia you know what you do I dey tell my sister wetin happen. Ihe gwa yon duku, o wa do awon rovi ogin Lady J. O we for see no na analyze matien. For so na mo matien like
you're the son Lady J husband enemy.
Na enemy husband.
I say black is beautiful. The man self, the man. See, may I tell you now, Queen of Germany, I know see you they listing from there. Your man now don't dump him. Yes, you know why? Because he not the sweet me again. But that one not me say if you do anyhow, we go see introduce that. You know, see man still they use the cat they do that Lady J, big Lady J, the man still they use the use the cat they do that small. So I feel go still introduce and give another girl. You know the girl no go no say, you know go no say no.
Okay, that's the man they do.
I think
wait, so Nadia, the man they do.
No, you see they use that one as side hustle. I feel use them. I feel go give them to another girl. The man no go no.
What did she all do? Yours I don't like her. At least she know Lady J. She can call and say, may rest for the matter. Say,
anything social media we go analyze them. Now social media we go analyze them.
Yeah, because you can't shame and disgrace. So the big man say you all get it. You know you all get sense.
You not get sense. You not get sense. In comment section now, he side chick, he husband side chick.
You know why Nadia wait. You know why I say my husband enemy now Momo because at
least Momo better pass the one we want carry sickness can't give her.
We want carry sickness can't give her.
It better pass.
You don't ever see my husband for the fish bar.
We never see her for you. We not hey, beauty. See my second side chick. Bring beauty up. Bring beauty. Come up. Now me and this girl gotta do relation with your husband. Bring her up. Oh, go bra Queenie. Me and this beauty. So me and this beauty. They crazy. We don't enjoy your husband. We don't tire. Let me can see if our quick come answer your husband will go for la. You dey whine. You dey whine. Your husband will go for laugh.
A queen of gem, a disgrace of Germany. Come and see your shame and disgrace for you. See people who do threesome and be truesome with your husband. I will not go and rob your Lady J. Oh yeah.
You didn't hear me so beauty. For what give me that one will be say your wife does for me.
Yes, don't get shit.
For what
So women know your shit. someone we are there. We're not going to do your
Black
mama.
is beautiful. Black, Queen of Germany, before your husband code, not be the date of birth if I put. No, not be you can change. We know everything. They come for you and go meet you. And go meet you. They come for you and go meet you. May you find may everything fall out. Beauty, say, beauty, send me that this thing. Beauty, that one will be say your husband hold his breast. It can't turn back of now. Snap. Send that give me. And they come for you. Obama.
Wow, wait, Germany guessing. If you come up, caucus person, they'll cost you. Jojo.
Ekita we ye deba. Ekita. Ekwe mbuwe.
That for every that. Why you call you pon go you
I did go ayo. I did go accomplish. Baba ko we dey push you ayo na. You only do go ayo. Ekwe mwe Queenie.
Aka we dera ho.
O pe ka yo ma le je mommy e. Odore me other for wait about we ide o. I want go fish back go groove. Then if they call you, I don't come out today again. Oh yeah, stay here, hotel you carry food. If we what type of social media? Now only you want as they do rich. As you see the even I even they praise for you say the queen say if you get fine shape, you fine. Why your husband will see they cheat? You come here, you know they insult me. You they mad? Who was who? We're not doing insulting. Most time we're not bad your work, but more than for working kita ye boy. No one ever said this player.
Husband say that's also born she dey fight boy pikin. What a shame. Just imagine.
A boy is a family now. I can't go now. They put the
Now wetin Nadia talk? Nadia say the man say that's also born she dey born. Say she dey fight boy pikin.
No say bonire. If you not the shape, people they help you the shape.
Tell us say we dey help her the shape if she not the shape.
Odogele le ya fi wa gogo yo. Wa mi e.
Very well that forever on my neck make I gbe no. Ona you do am like that with social media. My husband shit I go do it like this. If my husband shit I go carry it out.
I what all those things?
Jesus Christ.
Talk for maths. I get cheap. I can use my pack. If you go by must carry woman. Must carry woman. I a big war in a marriage. Must carry woman. Eh? You not feel group with the friends may go ask. I rather marry you, nege, than you marry us to no.
Disgrace, they were all
shameless human being. We know the shame. Shame not going to let me enter life with the way or that for me. He do time. If we give me a Ido ya ake
Oh, yeah, wa fava.
Ya ake phone ni make na ya don moko don ma moko. Or ido ya we drive license by your worry.
Why about that? You got to tell you
who are the like with me. Who do arove who do atebo me. When I marry Ekita. He better me you marry mumunege. Awa amumule lewe danu ya mare ozuo ne kiaga adiko ya ti describe eki other for we so what Ewe Oda for any self discipline. No, ya agbe wo one other self discipline. One na papa.
How do you like the Republic?
Okay.
In your getting my work.
What about Nigeria better on me? 18 song, 5 song ya wow.
Away family ya one guy, or one more with the family ya say
ya wa baba here.
Area vision na reba, o tie ne kan na reba, o tie bu wegbe na reba, o tie na reba.
Ekwe ni negbe wo e. Ekwe mu e.
Ekwe mo wa ge ki o, wa ge o.
When we don't most say shape we me ya. Ada for when you get ekwe mu we.
We can be ni. E ba ni oni san e ba ni enwa benji e menwe.
Who are I don't ever analyze you. How you go analyze me? I don't ever come out. Why me that black you want that word for me?
No, sister, I wait and I'm social media man analyze. I get ya analyze.
Why black here? You want like that is because you marry a kita. He will come and marry other for me and my boy wa mumu died. Wazua.
Zeyo.
Na no gele le ya.
You analyze the
If they are coming to buy anti ebony. E bo be very on it. What do I mean? Who you name my husband? You for your now you want to marry yourself if you don't know.
Public.
Yes, na public care. How know you want to marry yourself if you don't know? Only you.
No, she don't know now. She always said, "My lovely husband, my dog, man, I didn't know me. I'm talking at you."
You love you. You come up for us on Friday. You come back on Sunday. You shamelessly say my husband. My sister, you are not married. Marriage was single. Now you dey. Marriage was single. Why you single?
Suffering and smiling. Marriage.
You go move.
By disgrace.
Disgrace to whom I would.
See your husband. People when you say you can't do carrot trees.
Well, my in Nigeria who went away, I enjoy it. I don't tell you what we are doing.
If be Asha, be social.
If I let it
Tell Francis, boy, you carry you. I always say,
we are enjoying Nigeria who were. Where see my year. I say Nigeria, oh, now my sister, oh, black you.
This one, I'll put you on the
Good evening.
Good evening, man.
A black hair in the summer.
Yeah. What's where in Nigeria? We don't enjoy that.
I'm my senior sister.
You know, men I know where I need to know what's where not the
You are in Nigeria. We don't enjoy in Nigeria, man. Nothing bad.
We have this grace. We don't shame at this. Only one more license why I monitor it here.
The Agu Guanyo. What's the name of Guanyo? If not to show me the Agu, yeah, and alive. So we're right. Hey, yeah. Hey, every time we marry, we are missing your way. Hey, I'm missing. No pay 100 euro. No go West guy the man e make it now. Why you near if I cash it?
Now they cost. Now you're not. I don't want your invest.
I don't do me man. I do ate bonek be. Ne ku emu.
When we go analyze the,
Ibele ya titafia mevere dege. Yeah, you know me, my local donors they tell me say something about your
I don't know that video. What you pick account ya dey.
See me,
see again.
Peter, I must marry. Now really low self-esteem. I must marry.
Now no self-esteem they worry that girl. And the worst part of it, you just get one word where she just talk with your off me. He say you when they talk my word. You when your husband they do this thing they follow you. You don't use to wash water take wash your husband head. You know better pass that your husband. Queen. He say your husband. He say your husband quiet. He go just sit down, face one place school. He say ask you. I know so this girl
very quiet person. Doctor. Other from now one of the quiet. Yeah, many kid do agwan say from no work quiet. That is, you know, you like all those kind of life of it. I mean, they even they drag am. Even the birthday when my husband follow me go because the one that from all driving my I have to beg. And all those kind of party things, have a groovy now. A very quiet person. Oh, let me like you know what time man. Moko do have me we back bed with it because not be eating. You understand?
Yeah.
So, and not be other female. Father or tell other female. So all those kind men, your reason.
You don't be saying see now.
Your reason at the doctor. Or an okay with Reverend Father.
Very
one of the responsible man visiting mama. Na ko better way. Yeah, me put na go that we marry. Oh, yeah, put na that me here borrow every day. Oh, zua. Or that me dey public job and that me dey what I for bana blacky with that oh. That me Abi, do I disgrace me? You were your husband. Your husband.
He said, "Man, can I go to driving license? Wait, to driving license na prestige. I want
to your age.
Wait, so I just get now.
Yeah, okay. He used it to what?
I go to driving license to tell the baba.
And I'm working here.
I go do driving license just to see the monitor my up and down jobless.
I make it. Also, where the stress me, na me get the prick, na my prick.
This is down top.
Yes, na be my husband side chick. Your husband get many side chick. But na me be my husband side chick. Wow. A useless because you don't get what you want to talk about my husband.
A queen of shame and disgrace to me, wow. Only you're a queen of shame and disgrace, no self.
You know better pass person where they cheat follow everything. Your husband.
May I tell you what happened just now? When she did live video, she just want let people know say go fit talk to her because as she just take call me in the live video, me not even know say that your I think say na phone she take call you. I don't know say she use another account because as me come down, I can't pump on her video for her enter. She's come to tell the say person come to write for comment section say Lady J. He say no the Lady J when you know fit talk.
Big Lady J, they hear Wetin they talk, they hear them.
No, wait. Let Pretty Doctor talk.
So
Very useless human being.
You get the watch her saga. She did
left. Yeah, she did left stream Lady J. She did left.
Nadia they play for you, Lady J. More yeah, what she
Yes, now before they talk.
May you low our side, Nadia. May you play our own. Low our side.
Before you can talk to me, go to any school and go and get driving license. Go and get car before you can talk to me. I don't be smart pikin.
Baka.
Driving school and go and get license.
Baka.
If you show for you.
Upon the driving license where you get now, that from where you get.
Queen of Germany. You don't know me, no person.
Upon the driving license, why the man say they cheat?
This not their fan. Why the man no cheat?
Why the man say they cheat?
Queen of Germany, only me one at school. Queen of Germany, God tap, I'll be Queen of
Why
Germany.
your husband say they cheat?
I don't tell her for go. You know your name not come out for go.
I get driving license for Germany, and I forget my driving license.
Oh, why I get driving license? I get driving license. Why the man say they cheat upon the driving license?
I get everything. I get okay. No, not cry. 100 years to go, and not forget driving license. Something is not account. I won't get.
Yeah, but my husband get. You never start to dey drive.
Driving license. Yes, I love boy.
So just say that is the only achievement she have. That is the only best achievement she have. Now let that one be the best achievement.
Upon the driving license, your husband.
Body of the pepper and body of the pepper on the top your husband to you kill yourself. You go pepper you your husband. See the enter your husband car. I see the enter your husband car. I see the enter your husband car. I see the enter your husband car. Wow, who I see the enter.
I don't get. Not only driving license and car. Now I don't get for this life. I don't get on that thing. When I want to say I don't talk everything come aside so that when I can say this woman a big woman, I don't fit talk everything. God forbid.
You know sabi speak English. You know sabi speak English. You know sabi speak English.
No, say me.
Why God because they prepare you now, Queen? Thank God say you dey live streaming. Upon the driving license when you get now. Why the man say they cheat? Why did they come up for us? You come back weekend.
Body of the pepper and body of the pepper and
Upon the driving license, why the man say they go the different leg they go? Hey, Queen in a big way, you know the same. You say my husband a quiet person. Why you not married last man? Why they cheat?
Lady J husband better pass you. Your husband prick not their side.
You not their side. You not their side. Wow,
I reject you. I hate you. Right from the one who like you because why? I don't say you be slow poison.
Slow poison. At least your husband will be fast poison now.
Me we should not be friends now. We not be
born sister under 7 years. Generally money.
Now they are mute. Now they are move that this thing. Nonsense. Now mood the warrior. You understand? You know say when you marry dog, you marry public dog. So you know get direction. In fact, it don't put herself on low self-esteem. It don't believe that will ever see my day from life.
She should go and cover her face with shame.
Yeah, so you don't believe say you not go see man again for your life. So now only this is we have made the man we are. We are lele. We know so that time they don't want to talk that time. We are maybe shocking way. We are sensitive we are very on here. Wow, Ma, where they smell?
I better cry yesterday. The J they say it needs. See, if you want to do something, you clean your house before person come. You know me say that person needs. If one no person way needs, you go in your house unexpectedly. Like you tell no needs. Not me say you want to do something, you can't clean house. Wait for people when they come. You can't say needs because that woman without be to you know say na tie na what do they call that tico. Off here.
Why that man here? We haven't been a bit man. We are the guy. When they go, we know where man.
Unless the guy was
supposed to know where you know about.
On the orange basket in here, if you're talking, you have any perfume about your panel that for no we have spray it goes cigar.
What take bag we are? Wow, zoo. I want to go and the TikTok. What do we make one? Wow, he better make a married person will be slow poison go on. Then you marry a mumu no really
you better say you marry slow president. So you marry that man where is able Jebu or Dekpomo.
That is there.
A shame and disgraceful.
Other for me, at a time. So I told her for my baby, you better mind when I agree, you might like all those things. So now make you say, offering me, iladia, me, if you had you wow, because one any end me. Well, your husband, when they use that, I see woman, you go more so some. As you see, get shape, preach. Your husband, you see, they carry, one they carry, you even see better past them. You know they shame me. If I be you, I'll be looking
Say something is not right about her.
what did they happen to me? Now upon everything. Upon say you see the five people will go help you look children. May you still go
The driving license when you say you do car when you carry one and car when you use children money back for the man. Now the man say they carry small get they do trees so you
know they share for that. If na me how they share. If na me how they share.
The man they use that when they carry.
If you know what I mean, talk your matter. Carry your husband shame and disgrace. Enter house. When you get shame, carry and enter house. Carry and enter house. When you get shame. The man. Another married man will be say, you know, they so all prepare that for when I come mugume. Or what prepare eh? On I come mugume. When the DJ. Oh no now. Oh why I go for a berry. And I come. One go where a public dog any or one many woman toast. Or how many one toast? A bolagani, a special. I remember me go and never know I am the life you. Now you marry pass.
Yeah, Queen of disgrace.
Disgrace in where? Why you insult my husband? That one na husband where they not go insult. Public dog have it your husband. Ekita.
My sister, she beg finish. Comment. What is this lady right? Fresh queen. She begging. No get finish now because today now she can't say many women. She want advise women make they do driving license. They drive for back.
If they look for money, the public dog.
Because we analyze now or say and person still go do license. Don't be saying you want to use and carry your children. Go not say you want to use and they do around. You want to use and they monitor
the baba.
She can't come up. She get the guts to come up. What they insult us. They say why go and put that video for what you will carry your shame and disgrace on life. They know people go shame.
No. If you don't get shame, at the end they shame your shame. So you go ask you go ask your husband. You go ask your husband for so that he gets the toast. You know that queen dey gbé wo wọ́n máa mú òrìrì máa gbé kọ ọ̀tẹ̀ bọ̀ mẹ́sìn yé queen dey gbé wo azua.
Almost done. Instead of you to enter house, when you go think whether you will use coconut water wash your head, you carry nyash, you carry front. But for what will be every year? Every year you do the you say now you first time go do marriage. You say you'll give her 80% of all the property where government don't help you achieve. You should be ashamed of
yes, sister. Even when we marriage, they TikTok you. When we marriage, when I go to marry, when I go to do marriage, when I go to do court marriage, benefit day,
you know that
TikTok now. We can now we cut marriage.
Also, no way can do we live video.
My sister, I don't want to go live video again. I damn you.
Blackie, why guize,
all those kinds of things,
well, like
so, you know, though, I video. That video where now where I don't tell the story of that for even or what different women any say do a gear a do a phone or that thing or where the man or what we the fish back the man by Friday all the Sunday
Refish bar, a Ruby refish bar now, yeah.
Imagine oh, I'm a queenie. Away the man. Although we away the man, maybe I call it yeah, deal, or I stay you. Even a such called that maybe I did my thing. On the way to go. It's actually called that for him.
Yeah, one years yo.
Away, is that the guana? Away the man. Away the
camera. Na fake account. Let the get take camera.
Away the ya here. Away but here to see anybody. Away that thing no. Away I ye make ya get way okuobe. Away ye wiper. Ye ya here. Yeah, you wiper ya here. Ye the baby la wa.
Yo, the girl, this is she may go married, no get married man. No, the girl may go married, no get married man.
Away the man ya toasting ya. Whether na deka wa so ge isachi kinoro ai ni awe ebe ni yin ga ta lo na wa do amu wo we die ya wa mi da fin ye with oku obe yin wa ye wa pa ya hin ki age yin mula wa da fin ye no awe many women go born for many people husband the way no vision now yin ko yin get da fin ye we na we all that who we na ga ma gbo that okay live video you know me insult Maybe why wear that video? Me na we You know why that pay no sense? You know why we ya na. Yeah, the way ya the way no a man ya fool you. You know because a man not they love you. You know when me when they go talk.
Yeah.
You know the man all you hear even with all those things. You know when you say when na dey me alabia, me and make na age. You know we see here all you hear. You know we have there him up by your worry. You know a public dog oh marry na sister. Masha we marry because you hear that video. A man wasn't there a video made. A man wasn't there. No, other one you do live video where Lady J. Now me queen of TikTok. Can I fake account? I want to queen of TikTok. Why they talk to me? I don't ever analyze. You know, you never analyze, but you if you know I'm gonna talk about you, for not bring a comment. Yeah. Now you bring the matter comment, so I have to analyze them. Away, you they mad? I don't want to everyone.
Away now that your husband wait quiet like he enemy quiet like mumu. You're the because your husband not be smart. You know what prove your that thing.
If I didn't be the one,
Mani maya na ido. Na do you know jo. Na ke gele.
Anyway, you better ni marry mumu ye nora. Dani me ya maro ya no gelele ya kan ya we mi abegume.
Omo mi come here. Make her washing and kere we ya me fake account man your husband will be dog. Your husband will be this. Your husband will be this. We first then when my mother matter la dey me made the video we na wa le lo da phone wa yo na wa le re na wa le re me na
you know I believe you now. You have to be when
show your face, Nadia. May we see you. Show your face.
This issue self, before they happen, I they come black is with. I wanted to my mommy. When this issue they happen, it not really concern me like that because me now
I see you coming for there since one of the
now onto yes we many now onto level now your husband take carry me but based on saying to come sweet and your husband can't day. You understand? Because now daybreak now your husband carry me. I can't there for birthday. I can't join me for birthday. Now your husband see me carry me for daybreak. You understand? Your husband pay me better money, 850. Now he give me aside. Based on say because it costs more the dates. I cost the dates.
But Nadia, you gonna go where you gonna bear my twins today? Why you gonna bear you be Nadia not be that chic? Why you gonna bear my twins today, Nadia? Nadia, not you. Nadia, why is not Nadia not gonna do that chic?
Mama, sorry, Mama Nora, the girl when me and Gada do. The girl when they say if they send money always they comment section beauty baby. Now me. When I come they give because I be carry phone. I don't even know say you don't marry. Now when I come carry phone one day, she say put hand for one of your wife breast and hand. Now say
okay, and Nadia be not you don't know see you don't marry. Nothing see you don't marry.
Now they break he carry me now. Now he love the toto man. I can't fall in love. Not be me. Now from they break now enter there now. So based on say it's sweet, we come from there. We come the I don't come up belly 2 times. Don't say they beg me when we born. I say no, my own to gather money. I find money. I'm not there for all those ones. Jesus. Because me na Benjo, me they stay. I can't go Benjo. as me they talk to you now, I dey Holland, I also come out, I go back. So I don't get time for all those ones. Now when the woman come on, they like it just come on social media, they say women need to do this one. Now they say your husband they cheat too.
Say get to na make us.
Now me I get your husband brokos, now I make poku, I get him. Now I say your husband will be saying I be the dogun of cheating. Now you still on the advice women for social media. Me, I don't even leave yoga. I don't dump and give another girl, don't carry them. They get the comment section as we they talk now, no go talking name, no concern me. Baby, no mention your name. You understand? Now so the issue they happen. Now so it happen. We just come outside tell and say your husband see they cheat oh. Your husband see they cheat. Not the advice other people.
I see your number. What you call it? Call
He
you.
fed because he knows that time your husband not the sleepers now.
That's the way I your husband for.
Your husband not the sleepers now that time. I mean because of me hack your husband phone. Your husband not for the sleepers that time. You know the sleepers.
About like your very my disrespect so day. Make I do me my wife not know day. Yeah, that girl, your husband shitness and that disrespect. Very big disrespect.
God bless you, man.
Too much of things, but I don't say no man good though, okay, but all you said be. All you said be. Okay, you know say your husband do that. You see you put the because the fish bar where he said many people not go, say they follow. Me don't go that fish bar. Even if my carry woman come, they sit down gentle.
Okay.
You don't go know say a man carry woman come say. You don't go know but no woman they no woman go they sit down for my lap, they rub man, they kiss man. We obvious say, hey, this man carry woman come oh, this man carry woman come oh. Everybody they sit down gentle, they shop in fish, they drink, they share body on top of fish head, yeah. Because when me see that advice, I shock. So you don't need to say men women anywhere you go, anywhere the man go. I don't know we call verse me. He say go do driving license because they say be in one advice or say driving license so they carry children come out. He say go do driving license in case the man your move, you go your move follow her. Jesus. In case the man your move. Not many people don't die for this thing. Me all no one for Roma. Accident we see because say person you call and say your husband sit down with. Your husband sit down with woman before this is start. If you see this accident, he affect this is that womb. He spinal cord and womb. After 6 months, this woman fit a worker. Till now she know if he born again because it affects the womb. Okay. Because of man, the man will because of accident now. He and the man not there again.
Not there.
The man don't marry now. Boyfriend don't be husband though. Your boyfriend do with a woman or your carry car. As me see that because people don't see this video. People know say
my backup. I want to receive call for you.
People know say this kind of thing women more not try say to the follow man up and down. If you get the opportunity, say you want to follow your husband and go out, but then next don't see opportunity, don't kill yourself. Yeah. Your husband, he go out. Nobody gonna use for the call. Man go sit down because his man make example say, my husband not go fish bar. Now you ask me for the year, screen for me. Screen for me. Can you send me sweet voice? Can you send me sweet voice notes? Now you ask my husband not go fish bar. I do not forget my husband go fish bar. Where did they say send me sweet voice notes? Send me sweet voice note. I cannot wait for you to scream for me and grab your boost. Now you ask he did. So if man want do anything, they go do anything. Yours than a prayer. Say me get fear for you. Me not carry sickness. Man go the fear, go the cheat. If they even ask the thing for I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. No, it's not be bad for if you want follow man to say you want follow your man. No problem. No be to follow us. Say me no go carry woman. Man go see carry. No be inside my ask me there. When they say send me to voice note. But it's not like that. Wait for the yes, send me sweet voice note. You don't go by, not go club, you don't go anywhere. Now it's so when monitoring my up and down. But this more life you're in, so life will no longer again.
Life no longer again.
You want to get sick, Bessie give us a car. Bessie give us a car issue. You see the verse say, Charge Bessie give us a car, tissue, talkers of man. Man go can't give us health issue when bitch not be that man creators. God forbid.
Man not talk about that for me, you know that. I want that for me and the man. I want to talk about back then because the type of man no. I hope that we may a move ya who that for many. And that way, when we are move ya who one of the outside phone ba. Because a public dog, a man a married. Public dog. A man a married. Because I want to marry a public dog, I marry. Your husband.
He said they cannot face me. Yeah?
Now I can tell her, I can comment, give her right. I can for you to be a better husband. You are commenting on my life. You are so useless. Now what I like. Because a move. Now move back. That's me go ask.
Because they
Now it's not the man I comment on my
the man go right you.
Then I'm not saying what the man commenting. Okay, that means your husband, they live video with you. If they live video, they watch it till they talk. And if you get mad, they talk, say my husband get right to knock any dollar we want now. If you like me, go outside, stay outside. Now what did they talk? Is this once my husband will go outside, even if he come back?
You still go use wiper cleaner, you go put her for your toe back. You go use wiper cleaner. That one
you try to tell your husband, see, they try to tell people husband. Don't you know your husband you send this message to? You try to send message to other people, men, so they get right to knock any go that way. Not to say a lot of men they when they cheat, we know that one. But some they will go do and they go hide that. You know go even get
you know
even know that respect go there your body. You know body go know. You know go even do.
See now my husband say they regret. Say I wish I can change the house of kind. I don't mean no say mad they drink. Go they regret that thing. Before you go what ever happen again, go they use that they scratch his head. He they regret his life every day. Say wait till I manage. I manage. That's what me no say matter they do.
Not faithfully. Yes. You they see the game man, they have don't please my lord. And I hear when they say everybody not get what they call a driving license. My dear, driving license not be Nigeria person they host down for Germany. Now you go Turkish. Driving license, anybody that is life will get driving license. Anybody get driving license is not a privilege for your husband to be cheating on you, my sister. I beg. We know, man, a lot of men they cheat. None of them their husband where they perfect. But make it they put respect for your husband. Not be the one way go they cheat. You go open mouth, they talk for social media, they say my husband will sleep with every woman where they outside, not consign no now. I will call like that. Let make out my husband not they fit change. I want to change.
What the men not they change.
I don't know where mad. I don't know that for the see husband though. I
don't know. Make it I don't know the big boy now. I don't know whether for the see husband or
woman I hate for my life. Woman where I hate for my life. Woman we go say if my husband if he like his shit or he not cause I mean na me be the wife. I hate such women. No matter I go carry woman rich, na me theirs. If I said EJ that man he don't go like before he die, not go change. That is I know understand though. EJ at least man go we can make that I be man live on no level. No that woman man no even get regard, get fear for you. So you go break your head, even if you not fit break out, that my woman go break my head though. Jesus, get go come me to say your man carry me. You know go see better thing talk. Jesus. Some women they try and I'm not just saying me go. They mention me act me word up. They mention me act me word up because me make character and I mean not get this kind of character. Mention me act me word up.
You go better make a
not just say I go last for this husband, so because me not get this kind of character. Oh, EJ. Hey.
This is West with the elevation. We see.
How they cheat? Go po wako. I don't know how na take it.
They make it near your door. Where they see husband?
So man, where they see anybody?
You say all men are the same. All men not be the same. You see women, you see men go break get head. Go
only what that feeling
go break here. For the today against and say na so home, no home is perfect. Which one be no home is perfect? There is hope that is perfect. When I shout out, you be no home is perfect. Say the man keep the guy phone and go say no home is perfect. Man go break get head, he go break with get where you echo. Now come that say no home is perfect.
No
home is perfect. Again now talk they talk. Okay, woman exchange. What be to they beat? Who can work begin anywhere? It's again. Mark your eyes show that does not say no home is perfect. Hey, home is not perfect. My sister, they are not perfect.
They say her husband don't sleep with her friends.
Yes, I said the man a public dog.
Comment section.
I said this
they are talking for this. Sister, even I mean, why no the cat person dog husband? She no let me make this kind of video.
Mama Nora, he say as your husband can't shit rich. He say he can't hack your husband phone. So that if any girls they call your husband, big fish. If any girl they call your husband, he go they see him for your own side. You can't even they tell me for live videos. Now somebody live video we did that day. He say if I want, if he teach me, he say because all those men that were about
He not love the man. I think they beer.
I don't know. Me no know.
I not feel beer.
I think they say no problem. I say no problem. Say your husband.
I go use weapon clinic, bola fuck the man again. Now me they beer ourselves now.
I not feel beer mo. God forbid. She dey try.
Nobody they say
maybe she not love the man. She not the pain now. I don't know.
No, let me say not love the husband. See, a lot of women now you go use your own mouth, your own hand repair your own marriage. Or now you go feel use your own mouth, put respect, let your husband they respect you.
Women not get choice, so they not get self.
Yes, they don't do downgrade themselves to the extent where we say they feel say if the man just leave there, they not go marry again. They not go
guys.
Hey, you don't let your husband know say if he leave you, you don't finish.
So all the preachers she's not gonna preach this morning say leave, leave or praise our husband. Now, mama, no problem. Mona leave us, praise our husband. And we did the husband house. We know they suffer. It not be like we know they cover face. We no want to live there. We no want to stay there. So this is your fool, but did she get mad though?
He said if your husband come up for us for a weekend, maybe he go back now with his friends. He said the man will come back.
Thank you.
The man will come back
Big
on
Easy,
Sunday.
thank you for the gift.
No problem, mama.
He said the man will come back on Sunday.
He said then from Monday to Friday, your husband go there with her for inside house. I will Monday after Friday or that I go.
I told them see oh maybe a gbe one I hotel all I know here. I told them see where are you e want
I want to very friend guess you tie motor again.
All the women where we go say okay, a lot of women they none of us get perfect husband, but use your mouth, let your husband they respect you.
Exactly.
Yeah, you get that feeling. They go say husband or they fear. Who tells you husband or they fear wife?
Who tells you? When there's no fear for
they fear wife. Now you go let your husband fear you.
Now. Lady M, you know that you listen.
I hear that when they talk now. Say your husband they do like mumu, we go just sit down for one place. Now that mumu your better pass, my sister.
It better pass oh.
Now you go come out. Your husband go come out. They go they can't. Your husband go come out. They don't go they look you as anything because your husband don't almost knock out the whole guest.
Like okay, as she be now, if they want to describe your husband, they'll say public dog. If they want to describe my husband, they'll say your husband quiet, very quiet man. You know you get knock on Lady J.
Now you the concern, my sister. No be your husband not be the problem, oh. See that woman husband not be the problem. Now she they make your husband they do those things.
Give your
husband.
He go wrong. Right
let
you because you know what?
If he embarrass you again, what you go do? You know go give and tell her that one.
They tell you the truth.
So your husband, you go do all those things.
Go and sit down and reason, think about your life. Say,
now husband say they get right to cheat. Now when they tell man, say tell your own husband we marry for her. Say you get right to cheat to tell you about outside.
But my joke itself. It were
single mother mama say.
You go like her. Oh well, no, it was so that is why me no will see like her if you do one. Me no make sense. Now maybe your side chick.
You can't dance now. Your husband, you wait there innocent. Your husband, your carry sickness can't give you. You the clap put. Na mother odogun. Wako, my husband is odogun. I have odogun wife. Wako.
Odogun. Me I gift me Lady J. Go matter me we are gift me.
Thank you for the gift.
You know what I'm when I was big, maybe I take a big easy, a
big fishy big easy. A big easy rodukun, big easy afa.
I just said mama, good evening, mama. How your side?
I don't know. I go at the receive call before. I don't know.
You don't close for
Thank you so much.
Good evening.
Easy one say on Sunday, yeah.
No problem, mama. No problem.
I want to talk something on our women here. I'll come down. If you know say your man where you get it, they cheat. They even they kick against me, you come off for us. You know what you do on your safety. No come off for the house. No come out. If your man they cheat, there is a way to punish the man. How do you do it? You have to tell him, okay, Alpha, you they cheat, no problem. If you catch him, let him may they do HIV test. No come out for your own house. May they do HIV test every month they give you. Then you go they use condom. You understand?
Until they do
I beg.
HIV
Okay,
test.
how they live like
Hey,
that?
bro,
Calm down.
you punish him this way.
Calm down.
You
Una
punish
go
him this way. Punish him this way.
Calm down. Warrior boy.
HIV be sickness, so HPV strong gang. HPV na bad sickness, so.
They do HIV test
Can you
for
imagine?
you for every month. They use condom.
I don't know that condom give her.
Calm.
If
No
I
be
say
only
condom,
that, no be only that woman dey do that. Mommy Nora, this lady so no be only she dey talk that thing. I don't see a lot of women for this social media.
many women they do one, yes.
They go just come and they say my husband get right to cheat. My husband get right to carry any woman where he wants. He get right to sleep
No,
with all
let
the
Lady J, another one. You say when they follow the map, they don't follow and go Nigeria. As the man first start to go Nigeria, they don't go point when they got a bit. Why not follow and go Nigeria? Why not follow the man and go Nigeria?
Yeah, not
Well,
true.
when the man has to in Nigeria,
and they tell you.
Follow and go Nigeria now. Yeah, of course, 100%. Follow and go Nigeria.
Where Jenny? Oh yeah,
When the man has to with Nigeria, we go with that position. Where the has to in Nigeria, we go follow and go Nigeria now. They got okay. This go come cigarette talk to her. Una got to build us. They don't go poor us. You only the man go Nigeria. What the man go Nigeria alone?
Now another girl, I say cook for that kitchen. Another girl, I say cook for that kitchen. The girl tight away for inside.
What do you expect for Nigeria?
Voila. Wait, why Jamie made the sheet?
No, man, we no Germany men.
Oh, come easy.
Not all Germany
men. Only Germany men.
I bet black. You know, say a Bremen. You was to say, shall we wine, sha? We are.
They don't knock your husband before. Which one be saying? I know they told that kind of thing. I'm calling you my personal person.
Okay, don't let your city lie. No one cast your city, Abi. Oh, Abba.
Because they never collect your husband once. They never knock your husband. Why you call they tell us that kind of thing? Say Bremen City, they not so waiting to do for you. We keep me by
I can one of who when they condone that film.
Why many say queen of disgrace, shame and disgrace. I busy.
What's a big or something me okay go on Sunday?
No, that one we talk just now big easy. You know, say na the kind men with they marry. Don't be all men they do one for.
See, Lady J, many hope for this journey. Ye wa rege ni bule, ye wa rege ni boom. Eni bule wa bunya na
Odo ni amu yo wa yan egi yan ve do emo wo bo ma. Me dey fit get am for see collect am for the hand.
Only me J, no say not be lie dey lie na mami. Na here we dey na.
No, don't be
Okay, I hear.
Bring me way not big. Okay, why do mu na? Na do ki amu dey ba no worry.
Wait. You know the year I've been just defend the of code and understand.
No, normally, Sha, not be say at the year, I know they 2 the year, those kind of man. You know, so many
we'll
days
see on Sunday now. I'll gist you now.
Okay, no shaking. I'm going Sunday. Oh, but what do you mean? You know, say you're full year. Have a baby father. Ya worried do dera wa vo ma na quarter na dera na hin. Me wa.
Avec Balibuni, Boogie, we go working at Iro.
Ele what time about way. As far away who I pay, you do be what way no unire. If I catch my husband,
100%. Yes. Well, I messing with that. That's past again. The action was too much. We do I pay you. Was here, piano.
And next time, any woman I would be try because if you were you know, go try and make it safe. You understand?
Delete that video before my wife go see her for your page now. Don't let the guy delete it.